I learned French by watching TV on my couch for 2 months. If you want to know how you can do the same, stick around. A language is learned through comprehensible input. Input that you understand just well enough to follow what is happening, but you don't know every single word. What better way is there to go about this than to watch content you genuinely enjoy? So I want you to try something. Next time you sit down on your couch with the intention of chilling and watching something on your phone, try watching something in the language you want to learn. For beginners, this would ideally look like YouTube videos made for learners, such as vlogs or slow conversations. Once you start getting to the intermediate level, you can start widening the constraints of the input you consume. This can come in the form of TV shows, other YouTube videos, TikTok, podcasts, you name it. But I cannot stress this enough. Consume input that you genuinely enjoy and that you would watch even in your native language. This way it will not feel like a chore. It will just feel as though you're relaxing like normal. Now I have a challenge for those who really want to skyrocket their progress. For the next 2 months, only consume content in your target language. Anytime you catch yourself watching something in your native language, stop immediately and switch to something else. This will be hard, but if you stick to it, I guarantee you will be dumbfounded by how much more you understand at the end of those 2 months. And that's really all you need to know if you want to make progress fast in the laziest way possible. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps. If you want to keep the momentum going, you can click on this video and make sure to comment down below which language you are currently trying to learn.